Welcome, esteemed visionaries and changemakers. Prepare to embark on an electrifying journey into the captivating world of infographics and their transformative power within your pitch deck. Get ready to witness the magic as we unveil the secrets of turning complex data into irresistible visual stories. Grab your popcorn, because this is going to be epic. Imagine this: you find yourself standing at the forefront, ready to share the thrilling narrative of your startup's ascent and limitless potential. Enter infographics, the secret sauce that ignites the sparks of imagination. These vibrant visuals are not just eye candy, they are the superheroes of information, empowering you to craft compelling tales from mountains of data. But wait, we're not just here to make things look pretty, we're here to make an impact. A masterfully designed infographic has the ability to take your audience on an exhilarating journey through your startup's triumphs, challenges, and future possibilities. It's about transforming your message into an unforgettable experience that leaves them wanting more. So, while you're gearing up for your next pitch deck, don't forget the power of infographics. They have the uncanny ability to awaken curiosity, evoke emotions, and etch your message into the hearts and minds of those who dare to dream with you. Let your ideas soar as you weave a mesmerizing tapestry of visual storytelling in your pitch. Feeling inspired to dive into the world of infographics? Don't be afraid to unleash your creativity and experiment with different visual elements. Embrace the power of storytelling and watch as your pitch takes on a life of its own. We can't wait to hear about your adventures, so please share your experiences and questions below. Together, let's set new standards and redefine the art of delivering a pitch worth remembering.